It's just a really nice, good looking hive. So today we'll be unboxing the Beecastle beehive kit that you can purchase on Amazon. Beecastle brand, they sell a couple different types of kits. The kit I purchased and have here is the double deep single medium hive, so it's a little bit of a bigger hive. Like cheapest kit they'll sell is the just one deep with the parts that go with it, and then you can always add on later if you want to go that route. I can go over everything that came in it, and then kind of why I went with this brand, and I'll do a video later. You guys can check it out if you're looking on how to assemble it, because it does come unassembled, and it's not difficult to do, but the directions are kind of confusing, so I want to go over that. It'll be a quick video, so check that out if you do purchase one of these hives. So in the hive, the part I did already assemble is the deep frame. So this would be your big box on the bottom. So the company is Beecastle. They're really good looking hives. I went with the 8 frame hive. You can get 8 frame or 10 frame. The 10 frames just have 2 more frames in them. The big difference is once they're full of honey, they're going to be pretty heavy. So with a 10 frame, you just got to consider that, like handling that extra weight can be a lot of extra weight to deal with. So anyhow, so the deep hive box. So you got nails and screws. When you go to assemble it, you will need a screwdriver or a screw gun and a hammer. These are the wood slat cross pieces for your frames that you'll drop in. These are the side pieces for the frames. So there's a bunch of these in here that all need assembled. This is the foundations that'll slip into your frames. That it's nice they include these. They did include all black foundation, which normally that's for brood, but your bees can still make honey off of that. Everything is wax coated, beeswax coated, which is nice. That is actually another reason I went with this hive. The biggest reason. Beecastle is not the cheapest hive on Amazon, but all of their parts are coated in beeswax. So if you buy like the cheaper hives, there are some that they're only like 20 or 30 bucks cheaper, but they're just plain wood. You will need to paint them before you put it out. So now you got to worry about, what type of paint you're using. Is it going to bother your bees? And then repainting it down the road. So this is all dipped in beeswax, so it's protected. The bees like it because it's natural. And also, I think it looks a lot nicer than like the white hive that you're used to seeing. So anyway, so this is the front of the deep box, the back, and then the 2 sides here. And then more slats. So that's the parts to build one deep box. What your hive, when you buy your hive, and I don't have it in here because it's already assembled, but I'll take you out and show it. You'll also get a bottom for your hive to set your deep box on, and a top that slips over the top of your hive. Another part that comes with the hive is your queen excluder. Some people don't use these, but this is something on your bottom box. You set this on top so your queen can't crawl through and lay eggs in your honeycomb up above. I started the hive with 1 deep box. It's out there now. Probably in like a week, I'm gonna add another deep box on, and then a month, depending how they're doing, we'll put the medium. So I have a medium here that I did assemble already. You can see it actually fits together really easily. Everything's dovetailed. You slip it together, and then there's already pre-drilled screw holes. You screw everything in. Smells really nice because it's all coated in beeswax. And then you'll also have your all your frame materials for in your mediums as well. So your deep foundations, medium foundations, and then your nails and screws that go with it. So yeah, definitely this is the hive I'd recommend if you're picking one off of Amazon. Beecastle's the company. One downside, it does come unassembled, but you save a little bit on shipping that way, but it's really not hard at all to assemble them. So yeah, but I'll take you out here and show you the hive with the bees. They're hard at work today. It's a beautiful day. But yeah, check it out. I'll put the links below for the basics like starter kits, and then the bigger hives, and anything's interchangeable. If you got the 8 frame hive, everything will stack together. Or if you're just looking for an extra frame to add on to your existing hive, they have the 8 frames or the 10 frames. Yeah, but any questions, put them in the comments. And why don't we go check out this hive out here. Yeah, so you can see the bees are hard at work here today. I don't know, I really like the way this hive looks, unpainted with the wax finish. It's just a really nice, good looking hive. So you can see the bottom board that the deep box sits on, and then the top, the lid, which is nice. It has the metal top to protect it from the elements, and it's a lid that like slips over the top of your hive, which is also really nice. So yeah, great hive, good quality. I was really happy with it. I'll put the links down below and check them out. And if this video is helpful to you, appreciate if you like, share, and subscribe. Probably do some videos here updating as the hive, you know, as the bees work on things. And I don't know, it's been a lot of fun so far. So yeah, and check back if you need help with an assembly, the assembly of this hive. It's real simple, but the directions are really not good at all. So thanks for watching.